Okay, so a lot of you guys have been saying to me lately, oh, you look so happy, Rick. You haven't ranted lately. You've had nothing to rant about. It's only because when I rant, I always get those odd people that write into me and they say, oh, I ain't subscribing to your channel no more. I'm not doing this. But you know what? At the end of the day, who gives a fuck? They can move on. Here's the rant today. It's driving me nuts. And this is a true thing that's happening today. So hopefully some of you TD guys out there are listening. So I'm going to step back a week ago. A week ago, I went into my other bank, which I won't say their name today, but maybe I will. It begins with an R and ends with a C. Anyway, I went in there, and I went in there to deposit money, and the first thing they say to me is, oh, actually, they shouldn't. How are you doing today? That's all fine. Put your card in. Here's my money. You want to deposit this? They go run it through the machine. Oh, where did this money come from? I says, my pocket. Where do you think it came from? Seriously, I said my pocket, because I am a smartass. And she wants an answer. No, well, like, did you sell something? Where did it come from? Because it was a lot of money. All right? I go, what does it matter where it came from? I'm giving you the money. Put it in my account. Thank you and please. But now she wants to see my driver's license. And I says, I'm not showing you my driver's license. I'm not asking to take out the money. I'm asking to put in the money. I'm not, if anything, you want my license when I'm trying to take out a certain amount that's way too much money. I'm not. I'm trying to give you fucking money. So take it. Because that's how you make your living, the banks, by taking my money and you invest it in other shit. But then when I come in there and want my money back, you know what you say to me? Oh, you're only allowed a certain amount per day. You can only have this much. Don't matter if my bank account says I have 20 grand in there. They won't give me more than 5 grand. And then when they do, they want to know why. Who cares why? Oh, you're going to have a good weekend with that kind of money, aren't you? Whatever. So I go there. They want my license. They want this after 20 minutes arguing because I would not give them my license. I said, you got my bank card. I put my bank card in. You asked me for my PIN number twice. Put the money in. Okay, well, now I got to fill the form out. She does online. I got to know where the money come from. I go, I don't know where the money. What's the matter where the money come from? I don't know. It's my money. It doesn't matter where it came from. That lump of money I just gave you, it came from all sorts of different places and people. So there you go. So I leave there. I'm all pissed off. Done with it. Have to go to my other bank. My other bank is not so bad. Except today I go to my other bank. Now this is the second time this has happened, and I'm sure you people out there, if we tag this video right, you're going to know what's going on. So I go to old TD today to put my money in, pay my bills. They meet me right at the door. I went to the branch. As soon as I get to the door, you know what the girl says to me? Oh, sorry, sir, the bank's closed today. We've been hacked. That's what she said to me. We've been hacked. They don't say that on the news. They say there's a glitch with the system or whatever other kind of bullshit the news can come up with, because the news is the biggest fucking bullshit out there. So get off your couch and change the channel. Stop watching the news and maybe you'll feel better in life. Because it's a bunch of crock of bullshit. You want to find out the real thing, you watch a guy like me that's telling you I was there. She said, we've been hacked. She said, no, sorry, we've been hacked. You can't use the debit machine. You can't take money in. You can't take money out. You can't cash your check. You can't do nothing. Oh. So I leave there thinking, oh, well, you know, the way she said we've been hacked, maybe this lady's just emotionally upset and saying the wrong thing. So I'll go to the other TD in town, right? I go to the other TD in town, and the girl that I know, who serves me lots, because they all know me at these banks, because I'm always there, serves me lots. I walk up to the thing, and she says to me, instead of saying we've had a glitch or anything, because this bank isn't stopping people at the door, so I'm thinking, right on. You sons of bitches can get your money for the bills I owe you for today, but obviously that didn't happen, because she says to me straight up, sorry, Rick, the system's been hacked. Wow. I tell you people more and more every day, take your money and get a safe and bolt it to cement, make sure it's fireproof, and keep your money at home. It's a cashless society is what they want to do, in my opinion. If it's been hacked, I think it's a bunch of bullshit. I think it's all bullshit. I think they just do this to do it. It's the second time this year the TD has been hacked. Now you're going to say to me, oh no, I saw on the news, it was a glitch, it was that, whatever, or so what if they were hacked? So what if they were hacked? You want to put your money in a bank that's admitting they were hacked? Oh my God, forget it, people. They're trying to outdo us. They want us to go on plastic, on All this credit card, they want you to go on e-transfers. They want to keep control and watch everything that you do. Cash is king. Money society sucks without money. You need money in life. So I don't know what to tell you. All I know is I'm fucking going to move on from TD. I'm done with it. Or what I'll do at TD is I'll go in there, pay my bills, and keep no money there. No money there. Right? It just is a waste of time. Fuck them. You can't get mad at the people that work there. So if you're going to the bank today, you can't yell and scream at the people that are there. Don't do that, because I didn't do that. Even though they said it was hacked, I was just like, oh, okay, whatever. Can't yell at them because they just work there. It's just a job for them. The higher ups are the people you want to go up, because I'll tell you where it's going nowadays. The higher ups are getting richer, and the poor fucking bums on the street are getting richer, and us working class pay for all these cocksuckers. And it's true. It's 100% true. If I go robbed a house tonight, they'd throw me in jail. But if some crackhead did it, he'd be out the next day. Wouldn't care. Wouldn't care. That's the way it is today. So you're going to be one of the two. So either go join the welfare lineup or become rich, which is impossible, because Mr. Trudeau won't let us do that anyway. There's another lying cocksucker. So watch how long this video will last up there. It may not last that long. They'll take it down. They'll ban me. They'll do this. They'll do that. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Once they take me down and ban me, it's only because I speak the truth and they can't handle it. Everyone's entitled to their opinion. There you go. That's it. Fuck banks. Have a good day.